Now we solve another problem. A bag contains 5 green balls and 3 blue balls. Okay, so 5 green and 3 blue balls. So in total 8 balls are there. 2 balls picked at random. Okay, so R will be equals to 2. Okay, so in the denominator it is 8C2. Okay, so what is the probability that 2 are either green or blue? 2 are either green or blue. Okay, so see, out of the 2, either the 2 will be green or the 2 will be blue. Okay, we don't know, either green or blue. Okay, so how many green are there? For suppose if whatever the 2 balls that you have picked, all the 2 balls are green. Okay, if that is the case, then that will be 5C2, right? Either or blue they have given, or whenever or comes you have to use the plus sign, right? So then or whatever the 2 balls that you have picked up, blue. Okay, so then 3C2. Okay, so this is the final expression. Okay, if you solve this you will get the answer. Okay, the only thing is according to the question you have to understand whatever that has been given and you have to write this in this way. Okay, if you can write this in this form you can easily solve this. Okay, so here in the denominator total number of outcomes, this is the favorable outcomes. Okay, so in the denominator it is total 8 balls are there, 2 balls are picked up, 8C2. Okay, then how about the numerator? They are telling that what is the probability that 2 are either green or blue, either or. Okay, so it is the case where so the 2 balls are either green or the 2 balls are either blue. Okay, R came, right? So that's why we are using plus. Okay, so blindly whenever the n comes you have to use into multiplication. Whenever there is R you have to add it. Okay, now let us solve another problem. A bag contains 5 green balls and 3 blue balls. Okay, so 5 green balls and 3 blue balls. So how many total number of balls are there? 8 balls are there, that equals to n. 3 balls are picked at random. Okay, so R is equals to 3. So your denominator is 8C3. Okay, so 3 balls are picked out of the total 8 balls. So out of 8, 5 are green and 3 are blue. Okay, so now what is the condition here? What is the probability that 1 is green? What is the probability that 1 is green? Okay, so they are telling out of whatever the picked up, whatever the 3 balls that are picked up, only 1 is green. 1 means only 1. 1 is green. Then how about the 2? Other 2. Okay, so 3 are picked, right? They are telling what is the probability that 1 is green. Okay, 1 is green in the sense, so total how many green are there? So 5 out of the total 5 green balls you are picking 1. That is okay. Okay, so is this satisfying? No, actually 1 is green. Okay, then how about the other 2? Total 3 balls are picked up, right? So how about the other 2? Okay, so as there are only 2 kind of balls here, green and blue, if 1 is green, then how about the other 2? The other 2 will be obviously blue. There is no other option, right? Okay, so the 2 will be blue balls. So here whether is it and or or? And. Okay, if 1 is green, obviously the other 2 will be blue. Okay, so it is and, so you have to use multiplication. Okay, so now out of the 3 blue balls you are picking up 2. Okay, you have to make sure that if you add these 2, that equals to this. Okay, so whenever this kind of problem comes, okay, you have to make sure that. Okay, so whatever the R1 or R2 over here in the numerator, if you add them you should get this R. Okay, so you have to make sure that. Okay.